it's about today, what we are, let's say, focusing on right now in the multimedia area. And we've gone into one specific area that you will hear more about several times today. And I think the basic message around that is convergence. But I would like to start first. I have a small agenda here, but about talking about who we are and let's say how we work. Sweden is a bit specific market because everyone knows someone within Ericsson. So the model that we are presenting here is, let's say, the worldwide way that we try to be coordinated and working with third parties, ISVs and developers and acting accordingly all over the world. So it might be a bit different with you knowing people here. After that, we'll go into this area about convergence. We are focusing very much on this right now, and we've established, let's say, internally an ecosystem organization, and that is something that we are, let's say, it's an approach that we're taking, and I will tell you a bit more about how we look at the ecosystem as such and what it takes to have a well-functioning ecosystem. Then we'll just touch a bit about tools, software from us to you that you can utilize in order to build new type of services that we see is the future here. And also then we'll go more into okay, so if you're interested now, how do we start a relation? And there we have Rolf and Jean-Louis, who is let's say portfolio responsibles, like partner managers, meeting companies from all over the world, looking at what is the potential interest from Ericsson. And so please, in the breaks, approach Rolf, Jean-Louis or myself. And later on we will also, as Thomas said, we have a representative here from Nordics and Baltics, and I think that's 8 countries in that market unit. So that's a good opportunity to see what you could possibly do there. But let's get started. So I think my first thing here would be showing you a movie, letting someone else, some of our old partners, to talk about what we've been doing together with them and how we work. So I hope this works now.
Location-based services give customers something which really relates to their world. The partnership between Ericsson Mobility World and LocationNet is a very beneficial partnership, if I may jump to the conclusion of it. To me, it seems that Mobility World is focused on the solution part. If an operator wants to give a service to its subscribers, Ericsson has a very good body that can talk in that language and can think about the subscriber, what will the subscriber need, and what services and applications are the things that he's looking for, so the Ericsson Mobility World and us together can give that solution to the customers.
The Ericsson Mobility World Developer Program is a community for application developers. It gives developers the technical, business and sales support they need to get application ideas to the market, and fast.
As a young, fast-growing company based in New Zealand, which, as you know, is the bottom of the world, the relationship that we have with Ericsson has been extremely beneficial. It's meant that we've not only had credibility on a global scale, being a partner of Ericsson and being endorsed by Ericsson, but the reach of the Ericsson arm extends obviously very widely. Our team is constantly engaged in discussion with Ericsson members as well as the wider development community through online forums and obviously other virtual communication means. This provides not only ourselves but other members of the community with an outlet to continue with innovation and to answer questions that need to be answered.
Through its global network of local centres, the Ericsson Mobility World Developer Programme brings together developers, content providers and operators to help create revenue-generating mobile services.
Televoting system is a system for collecting votes, and it's typically used in the media sector for TV stations, radio stations. The main benefits for us has really been contracts, hard cash, so really generating revenue to the company. And I think that's very important for every company doing business with the mobility world. It's not just promoting, but it is really that you get signed contracts.
Right, so that was hopefully a bit of an overview. Moving on here, we work pretty much like any developer program that's out there, either if it's Microsoft or Sun. If you go to the Ericsson.com website, there is a section developers, and that is the part that we are responsible for, and filling that with good offerings for, let's say, third-party users to start to build applications and then come back to us, hopefully to do business with the operators. And looking at what we do then, on the top here you can see that what we're put together is an offering to help content and application providers realize applications. And I think most interestingly for you also is that on the bottom line here, we also help customers worldwide to identify possible new services for them to launch, like segmenting their customer database, what are potential services that you can launch and so on, and then mapping that with the over half there, what do we have in our portfolio that could be a match for the customer, and then also helping them to realize these services. So we have quite a large systems integration business that can take a part of this role in implementing these services, and then also we could do managed services for the customers. So some of the services that we bring in, we also put in a hosting environment and we confront the customer. And it could be your service that's lying in this hosted solution. Looking